Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my diner diary. So today I have come to city center, which is located at Mirdif, and I haven't visited all the stores but just visited some of them as it's a very big mall, so I couldn't complete the full. So I just took few clips for you all. So in this city center there are almost many international brands, and each of the corner they have decorated it very well, you can see. So they have like 4 parts: east, west, north and south. I just visited 2 of them. So you can see many brands over here. So there was not a much offer on any of the brands I just visited. And now I'm going to Center Point. Yeah, so there was a bit of offer in the Center Point. Got some shoes, and here are some bag collections. These are some cute clutches and some hair accessories. And now here I'm just walking around. So we are going to the first floor now. You can see each of the interior, each of the corner is well decorated. So this was a cafe over here. So this place they have decorated with lights. I'll go closer and show you as well. And this is the most viral place, especially on Instagram reels. Here you get the popcorns, the flavored ones. And this is at a food court over there. And there is Chanel and many more brands. So this was a cafe. It was actually very good. This was some croissant, some eclairs. You can see they have in many varieties. They even give like 6 pieces in a box, and 3 we can even get it separately. So these were actually very delicious. I tried the chocolate one. And this was a toast, French toast. You can see how beautifully they have done it. Some cookies and croissant again, and these are some tart and cupcakes. So this was the cafe. So this is the lighting place which I showed you all earlier. You can see how beautifully they have decorated. So they have covered the lightings on the tree. And some jewelry store. This was the food court. So we had tried here the baked potatoes with salad. And that's all. So as I told, I just shooted a bit. So I have got a parcel from Noon So let's unbox it and let's see what's there inside. And if you use the code which is named as gift, you will get 40% of discount. This is available in all stores of UAE. These are some potato chips, some sparkling water, some lotion, and a Play-Doh, some cookies, and this was a strawberry jam, and laundry capsule, and a dishwasher. So use the code and get your offer soon. So they're going to deliver you within 15 minutes. You can get all your groceries and makeup products and many more. So this was the vlog for today. Hope you guys liked my vlog. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon for more updates, and do follow me on Instagram for more details.